right, we're off for Ding Dong dinner. Is this 10?
10. I think this is 10.
10, and we're super excited. We're a little out of the Eureka area. We are in South County, heading to a good friend of mine, Craig and Kathy Lorenz, and their family. So super excited. Craig is, I would say, been watching our videos and been really active on our site, and he requested a Ding Dong dinner, and so we're gonna make it happen.
We're gonna do it.
So I'm super excited to see what he thinks about what we're bringing and how the family likes it. So
and what are we bringing?
we are bringing Mandarin chicken with a sticky garlic noodle, right? Over a sticky garlic noodle. We did roasted broccoli, which yum yum. And then our very own Too Hungry Neighbor chocolate chip cookie recipe, but we made peanut butter chocolate chip this time. So super excited.
It should be interesting.
All right, let's see how this goes. All right.
Okay, since it's a friend, we're actually gonna.
Kind of hard.
It's not gonna be so much of a surprise, but that's okay.
We could just stand over here and be goofy. I'll set it down and ring the doorbell.
Yeah. What did you get all first?
I don't know. I'm dirty. I know.
Look at that.
It'll wash.
Hello, hello.
Surprise!
Hello.
Surprise! Hi, Craig!
Yes!
Dinner is served!
Ding dong dinner! I finally have won it. Well, hello. Hello, you
How
look.
are you?
Oh, you look great.
Wow, good to
Watch
see
it.
you. I missed
And
you.
who we have here?
This is my friend Jill.
Hey, Jill. Nice to see you. Yeah.
This
Hi,
is the
Craig.
other
Whoa, this is
Too Hungry
awesome.
Neighbor.
Well, welcome to Hungry Day. You guys want to come on in?
Yes.
Yeah,
Well, you guys got shirts and everything.
oh,
You guys are so cute.
we're official. It's like a little
Can I
present.
get on the list like twice? Can I get?
That's
can we
asking a lot. We have a list of people waiting.
Sorry. All right.
And you know, qualified in need, you know, but since you check out our YouTube channel and you are a dear
I
friend,
am very much in need. Oh, this looks awesome. Is this what we got?
that's what you got.
Mandarin orange chicken. Josh, like, oh, doctor. So it is like, all right, let's start.
You can open it up and check it all out.
Let's just see what we. Oh, it comes with a little care package. Here.
Yeah, well, that's just
Oh.
some little gummies and a shake sample for you. You know,
how sweet.
that's the
So-
healthy part.
It's-
Actually, it's all
Oh,
healthy.
everything's all healthy.
So let's get into this bad boy. So, Jill, did you make any of this, or what? This is a team effort.
You'll see it on
On
video.
Mondays, oh, you'll be on the video. On Mondays, we prepare the meal and then we ding dong dinner.
Oh, it looks fantastic.
Do you like Chinese food, Josh?
Oh, that's exactly what you.
Chinese food.
Okay, good.
Oh, hold on. I'm sorry. It looks like I'm leaving. I'm not. I'm actually just getting a fork.
Oh, you're gonna have a fork and just dig in right now and tell us what you
we're
think.
very efficient here.
Yeah.
Oh, doctor.
Let me go buy it.
Great.
Hold on.
I think the chicken's so good.
It's
Chicken
good
turned
together too.
Oh, it is good.
Chicken's good.
Can't get a piece on there.
That's his plate apparently, Josh. I guess you get to. I love it. I mean, this is the first. They're just gonna go ahead and have dinner right here with us. Are you bringing us forks? No, I'm kidding.
All right, let's just.
We actually made extra of this one so that we could have a little. Now I don't
Am I
know.
supposed to share that?
Just with your family,
Oh, I was gonna say that's.
not us.
You guys need a.
Leave.
I was gonna say we ain't sharing a whole lot of that. That is. It's
And this
just
is a
right.
little veggie. If you do veggie.
All right, so I do, Joshy. You.
I'm telling you what, you should try
You should
the
try it.
broccoli
Roasted broccoli.
It is delicious.
I'm on a
We won't-
strict no veggie
Oh,
diet.
you are?
It is.
You're on a
No
strict
veg.
no veggie diet. Well, then you need to eat the
Oh
gummies.
no!
Yeah, the roasted vegetables are.
I
It
make
doesn't.
some.
It doesn't taste like just
Right.
steamed broccoli.
Thank you, Josh. I think you should have at least one little.
Come on, Josh. Come on, Josh.
I don't know.
Come on.
Get your fork. Get one.
One little
Give them a
piece.
small one, yeah.
Now my daughter Jessie would be in tears right now. Josh
I'm about
Whistle.
to be.
Oh, come on,
Josh,
Josh.
Josh, I mean,
It's
tears.
actually-
Oh, Jessie's she's bad.
I'm so impressed.
No, come on.
Shut.
Here, eat
Well,
another piece of
it's
chicken.
not my fault. Yeah, I need
It's not my
to. I need to
fault.
wash it down.
Wash
with a
it
piece
down
of
with a piece of chicken.
Mm.
Well, this is the first.
chicken. No.
All right. Well, at least these.
No,
Oh, yeah.
no veggies.
Oh, this is feeling pretty good here too. Is this another surprise?
That's a little dessert. Final thing on the list. This is our Too Hungry
Peanut butter
Neighbors
chocolate
original
chip
recipe.
cookies. Oh, look at this, you guys.
So it's good.
I almost want to be like sick so I can have like another round of, but not real sick. You know what I mean? Just like
And he's like-
little sick. You guys are so
Are we
awesome.
going in with these now?
We're going
Yeah,
all right.
those are our original recipe, and they are a peanut butter
Peanut
chocolate
butter
chip cookie, but they are gluten-free actually.
I don't even know what
Yeah,
gluten is.
I was
be
about to
honest
say
with
that.
you.
I don't know
They're
what gluten
gluten-free
When
and
you're-
dairy-free.
And dairy-free.
Dairy free.
So
How can it be dairy, like no egg or milk?
So we use vegan butter, and then there's no egg.
Yeah, there's
No egg.
2 egg yolks.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah,
there
that's
is.
that's
That's not dairy.
That's not dairy.
Yeah. So there's
Oh, really
yeah,
good.
there's
Yeah.
no
That's
milk
good.
products, dairy products. Aren't they good?
Fantastic. When I taste the difference between a dairy product cookie and a non-dairy product cookie,
If it's not a good one, you can.
this is really good.
Yeah, I know.
So are these like healthy cookies?
Well, they are.
They have
They have
two
coconut sugar, right?
and have the complete in it.
So we put. Remind me what we put in there.
Oh,
With two
oh,
scoops
good.
of vanilla complete. We put the peanut butter.
Yes.
For the
So
vegan
it's got the vanilla complete, which is 15 plant products in each scoop. There's some of that in there, 2 scoops of
Alright.
that, and then it's got coconut sugar, which is a not.
He's like, I said I wasn't gonna eat veggies.
Not a fancy, right? Not
That's a cookie though.
not
It's
a refined sugar, and then we have it makes dairy-free and gluten-free, which dairy and gluten can cause a lot of inflammation, and so by avoiding
Josh,
it,
it causes a lot of inflammation.
Inflammation. I got inflammation.
surprise.
Yeah. Oh,
All right, so there's
God,
your
it's
dinner.
great. You did great. And Jill, thank you so much.
We love you, Craig.
It's fantastic. Literally, it's fantastic. And that's not even just for the show. I'm just telling you, it is amazing.
Well, the recipes will be online if you ever want to try to make it.
Yeah, thanks. All right, guys.
Bye.
Oh my gosh. That was awesome.
And that's just mild. I mean, he would go on. Literally, that's why I asked Carson if he wanted to come. My kids could sit and listen to him, and you should see their.
All right, friend. I think. Do we have it on video? Ding Dong Dinner 10, a success.
It's done. It's in the books.
It's in the books.
And it was a fun one.
It was a.
It was a fun one.
I didn't laugh. I haven't laughed that hard in a while. Craig's pretty funny, so it looks like they're going to be enjoying their dinner, and that's what counts. So, anyway, off to home so we can eat our own dinner.
Yeah. So please make sure you hit the big red subscribe button and follow us on our next adventure.
Absolutely. Ding Dong Dinner 11 will be coming soon. See ya.